In the quiet waters of the early morning, the majestic white cobra begins its graceful journey toward the flowing river.
In a mesmerizing courtship display, the cobras intertwine in the shallow waters. Afterwards,
As the morning mist clears, the cobras engage in a brief, synchronized courtship ritual.
Here, by the tranquil morning waters,
As dawn breaks, the magnificent cobra finds her nesting site. With gentle, controlled movements, she lays her. As the morning mist clings to the riverbank, the cobra eggs begin to hatch. The mother stands guard. In the soft morning light, a majestic white cobra guards her nest.
The cobra, a perfect predator, locks onto its target. With blinding speed and immense power, it strikes.
Instinctively, the babies follow their mother from the water. She takes point, her massive body a shield against.
Standing guard at an incredible size, this majestic mother shields her tiny offspring as they begin their perilous journey through the wilderness.
Sensing danger, the mother instantly assumes a protective stance. The young mimic her movements perfectly, demonstrating instinct and discipline.